The flexibility in design makes manufacturers to develop different types of electric vehicles. The powertrain of electric vehicles are not that complex. As a result, we can find a lot of electric vehicle startups around the world. Now we are going to check out the top 10 wonderful and weird electric vehicles in the world. The first one in the list is Icon E-Flyer 2. Icon has expertly repaired and redesigned historic automobiles and trucks. They are the gold standard for the small batch high-end automobile production. With the support of e-bike manufacturer Vintage Electric, the firm has recently shifted its focus to bikes. One of the exotic vehicles in their product line is Icon E-Flyer 2. Its unique features are the new 57-pound Icon E-Flyer 2 is based on Vintage Electric's e-Tracker cycle. It can cruise at 20 miles per hour or race at 36 miles per hour. Beautiful leatherwork and an LED lighting make it futuristic and elegant when it comes to its appearance. You can select the color of your preference from 9 powder coat finishes from Icon. The E-Flyer 2 has a range of 35 miles and you can charge the vehicle in just 2 hours. The next vehicle is Specialized Turbo. The Specialized Turbo S is one of the finest at integrating electric power into a bike. In the full turbo assist mode, the turbo reaches a maximum speed of 27 miles per hour. The Specialized Turbo features an eco mode that allows you to control the amount of power drawn from the battery. Over a 21-mile ride, it can average 16.1 miles per hour and used half the battery life on the bike in Eco Ride. The Specialized has added 2 new models, Turbo and Turbo X, to the lineup with smaller battery pack and less costly components. The third one in the list is Urb E. The Urb E is a unique and intelligent electric scooter. It charges in 3 hours and has a range of 20 miles despite its little size. If you live in a city, then this scooter will be your sole mode of transportation. The Urb E peak speed is of 15 miles per hour means it won't be able to keep up with real e-bikes. The Urb E is foldable, so you can drag it behind you like baggage and leave it at your feet while riding the train or waiting for your turn to grab a burger. The Urb E is available in 2-wheel and 3-wheel versions. The fourth one in the list is Zero S. Zero Motorcycles was pioneer in 2-wheel electric mobility in the world. The business now offers 4 electric motorcycles, including the hot Zero S. The Zero S comes with some impressive specifications. The bike has a maximum speed of 95 miles per hour and can reach 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. The Zero S has a city range of roughly 100 miles and a highway range of roughly 60 miles. The Zero S can travel 171 miles in the city or just over 100 miles at 55 miles per hour with updated optional batteries. In under 3.3 seconds, the Zero SR accelerates to 60 miles per hour. The fifth one is the Boosted Boards skateboards. Since the 1970s, the skilled technicians have been attaching tiny gasoline engines and chain drives to skateboards. The boards that resulted were cool, but they failed terribly. The Boosted Board powers you with a 6-mile ride at up to 20 miles per hour that can be recharged in 90 minutes. Lithium phosphate battery pack is mounted behind the front trucks and provides power to the rear electric motors. The wireless remote helps the rider to regulate the propulsion and regenerative brakes when you power up particularly steep hills on the board. The sixth one is the Marble Skateboard. If you are looking for the quickest and lightest skateboard, look no further. Thanks to its carbon fiber and Kevlar deck, it comes with other jaw-dropping performance such as 15% gradability. It has a maximum speed of 25 miles per hour while weighing only 9.9 pounds. On a single charge, the Marble can travel more than 10 kilometers. A strong and lightweight electric skateboard like the Marble is not only for entertaining the weekend, but is also practical for short trips. The seventh one is the Lightning Superbike. The Lightning Superbike, the world's fastest production electric motorbike, clocked in at 218.637 miles per hour at Bonneville Speed Week. The Lightning LS 218 motorbikes are manufactured to order and include premium sport bike components. Only 45 pieces will be made. The bike's electric motor produces 200 horsepower and can travel up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. Upgraded battery packs may increase the bike's range to 180 miles, but they add to 495 pound weight. A 240 volt level 2 charger can charge the bike in around 2 hours according to Lightning. This motorbike is costly. It costs around $40,000 US. The eighth one in the list is Liftech Technologies Snowboard. This is a hybrid of skateboard and a snowboard that allow you to carve your way down a city street rather than a mountain slope. 2 centrally located wheels are elevated significantly above the 4 outside wheels on the skateboard. The boards will reach 20 miles per hour, go for 8 miles on a charge and weigh 15 pounds according to Leaf. Like other skateboards, the speed is regulated using wireless remote. The ninth one in the list is Brembo Impulse R. The Brembo Impulse R is the first e-bike with 6-speed gearbox. In theory, this allows for quick off-the-line acceleration as well as scoring peak speed of 110 miles per hour. The Embers are also include complete sports bike suspension and strong Brembo brakes, unlike some electric motorcycles. Brembo estimates that the bike will last roughly 130 miles in the city and 60 miles on the highway before the battery runs out. In addition, the 460-pound Brembo has built-in J1772 rapid charging capabilities. As a result, you can charge this electric motorcycle at the same charging stations where you can charge your electric cars. The 10th one in the list is Aton Rocket Skates. The top-of-the-line Aton model can operate up to 10 miles on a single charge of its lithium-ion battery packs while reaching a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour. The R10 skates are 7 pounds a piece and require around 2.5 hours to recharge. So that's all in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in another video.